ARCAN Waterproof, your specialist for waterproofing and innovative products. We develop systems and materials for waterproofing. Today, we show a live leakage sealing at a hydro dam in Russia with a one-component material named HydroBloc Integral 575. The situation: a reinforced concrete dam with need of waterproofing work. The equipment: a typical single-component pump and an outstanding single-component resin named Integral 575. Crack injection a few meters above the dam base. The operator is working with a single-component pump and Integral 575. After a few seconds of injection, the color of the emerging water changes. This signals the arrival of the injection resin. Integral 575 is easy mixable with water. The golden resin turns white in contact with humidity. Water keeps running and the injection continues. The amount of resin inside the crack rises and more white-colored water appears outside. Inside the structure, the resin blocks the water and starts sealing the leakage. The leakage stops and the crack is securely filled with a high elastic resin. Integral resins enclose a blocked hardener, which takes off in contact with humidity. This starts the reaction and the curing process. More humidity leads to a faster reaction. Normally, such a leakage would be dealt with water stop foam and a classic two-component material. With Integral, this is no longer necessary. Integral resins are the latest innovation and developed to simplify your work. ARCAN Waterproof, always one step ahead. For more information, watch our product video HydroBloc 575 Integral on YouTube or visit our website under www.arcan.biz. Do you want to know more about our products? Do you have questions? Speak to us. Our team in Germany is always ready to support you.